Hey guys, it's the Red Devil here. It's me, Sham. Sang's brother is gonna be helping him in his YouTube channel and videos and stuff. So this is my second video. Hope you guys enjoy. So basically, this is my base. I've trained balloons, minions, and lava hounds, which I got a couple of days ago. So I'm gonna be testing them out soon. We had our war, I think, last war, which we won. So I got a little, like 600,000 loot bonus. It's pretty good. Now I'm just gonna show you a replay of one of our masters. So I hope you guys enjoy. It's pretty good. Yeah, let's see this. Our whole clan basically uses this formation, putting golems first, followed by wizards, which would take out everything. Golems is distraction, and P.E.K.K.A.s, which basically kill everything. It's pretty good formation. You basically use wall breakers to just break walls and stuff. So I'm just saying it's pretty good formation. You guys should use it. Now, I'll leave you guys to watch it. So yeah, that's how masters raid and stuff. It's really cool. Once you become a master, you're gonna face really tough opponents, but to them it just seems easy. If we look at it, I'm just gold league. It seems really hard to fight them. Now I'm gonna show you my air raid, just air troops. Just gonna be waiting for my clan to just give me some troops. See you guys soon. I've just received maxed out balloons from my clan, and now I'm just looking for a good base to find. Yeah, so I'm gonna be attacking this base. It's decent. I also have my Barbarian King and Archer Queen to support me. Oh yes, I got 100% decent loot. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll be making videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. See you all next time.